Got some people bumping in the back. All right, welcome back. Got out a little later today. We're at a juicy pond here in an undisclosed area.
It can be juice.
It's heard to have some 5-pounders in here, so we'll see what we get into.
Is there actually?
Yeah. Alright guys, first cast, this is what we're throwing. Little white swim bait, speed shad with a tungsten weight on in front of it. Just gonna flip it out here. Oh, I just saw a fish. Just gonna reel it in. Catch one of the first cast. That's bad luck apparently.
No, he was 7 pounds.
All right, you heard it. You heard it here, folks. We got a 7-pounder.
Come here, Jeff.
Yo, Blake, get this. Take this. Take it.
Can I grab it?
No, take this. Take this. Oh, holy cow! First cast on the chatterbait. That's a healthy bass right there. Oh yeah. Look at that. There he is, guys. First cast on the chatterbait, just a green chatterbait with a green like swim shad on the back. Give him a nice release here. Yep, on the board for the day. Now we can make a video, right? Yeah. If you're watching this at this part of the video, hit the subscribe button, please. No one probably did.
Hit that like and subscribe button.
Tell all your friends and family. Holy cow, that's heavy. Jeez. Making sure it's not a snake. It's not a snake, folks, don't worry. Here it is. Ew, there's eggs on it.
What?
There's eggs on it. Alright, here's the plan, guys. We're just gonna send the chatterbait right along these rocks. That's where the bass like to sit on their beds, and they usually just come out of nowhere, so could get bit anywhere here. We'll just... Oh yeah.
Jeff,
What?
I lost the chatterbait.
Wow. Does that make you sad, Blake?
Yes, because it just like broke off as soon as I went to cast it.
Blake, come on, stay fishing.
What?
Control your emotions. Get a hold of yourself. Oh, Jeff. What?
Digging.
Alright. Oh my gracious. Blake, grab the camera.
What's going on, Jeff? Rub it.
Oh, hey guys. We're just... Ugh. Get him, Blake. You want me to lip him? Here, I'll get down there and lip him.
Where is he?
It's right here. Whoo! Okay. Oh yeah, Blake. There you go.
Give me that, John.
On the tube.
On the tube. Dude. Look at this.
Oh my. Not even hooked, dude.
Yeah, give me a picture.
Memories. More memories.
Come on, get a picture of this, Jeff.
There it is. Beauty. Been working this fish for like probably 30 minutes.
There she goes.
Back to her bed.
Dude, as soon as I dropped it right, like this close,
Yep.
and she just came up and ate it.
Yes, sir.
Oh, they're huge.
I know.
Got him. Got him. Got him.
Yeah.
Ooh, baby.
That's bigger than mine. Picture?
Yeah. We were
Yes.
in wild goose chase
No.
earlier.
Oh, dude, we're quality content.
There he
We're
is.
getting.
Been working this fish for like 30 minutes again. Finally got him to bite.
Dude, you see that one right there?
It's like, that's what I was talking about. That turtle.
Where is it?
Oh yeah. Grab him, Blake. Grab him. Dude, that's pretty nice.
Dude, that's a tanker.
Yeah. Zach just came out of nowhere, catches a fish. Dagan still has 0 fish. It's okay though.
Dude, that choked me.
Oh yeah, look at that. Right in the mouth. Dagan, what do you think?
She's a nice one.
Dude, she's fat. Look at that.
For that little creek down there? You
Yeah.
should be up there, buddy. I'll let you go where you were.
Yeah.
Here he comes.
Oh no! da, 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 da. Word! Look at this! Right here. Look at this. You getting that?
Maybe they're mating.
Oh baby. Watch out, Blake, I'm gonna flip in. Oh, that's my rod right there.
Oh, there you go.
Oh yeah.
There he is.
Oh yeah.
Mundo v. Mundo.
Boom.
If I can catch this one, we double up on these
Smells.
Like you got 20 seconds. Oh, never mind.
You'll make babies.